The Casio G-Shock X Hardies NYC DW6900HH-5 limited edition. This is a masterclass. This is a limited edition collaboration model with a distinctive brown and neon pink design. Features of the triple graph watch include a pink display, a multifunction alarm, and 200 ohm water resistance. It remains a 1010 powerhouse, 5-year battery life. It has a digital display at the bottom of the face, showing the time is 12 or 24 hours format, alongside information like the day of the week and the date. Above this screen is a triple graph, linked to feature stopwatch. Other on-watch tools include a countdown timer, hourly time signals, flash alerts, and a multifunction alarm. Plus an LED backlight can illuminate the display in the low lighting. Price is $150. It's an accessible high-style piece for collectors who value New York skate history as much as G-Shock's unbreakable reputation. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.